When you create objects in AutoCAD, it's important to distinguish how the object's properties are assigned. The current properties for any new object that you create are shown here in the Properties panel on the Home ribbon tab. Notice that the first item here determines the color. The current color is set to ByLayer. The current line weight is set to ByLayer. The current line type is set to ByLayer. And the current transparency is also set to ByLayer. Objects created with their properties set to ByLayer will take on the color, line weight, line type, and transparency assigned to the layer on which they are created. If you set these properties to anything other than ByLayer, then that property will be assigned to the object explicitly. In other words, the property will not be controlled by the layer on which the object is created. So when you create an object, you can determine when you create it whether you want its color, line weight, line type, and transparency assigned based on the property of the layer, or by choosing from one of these property drop-downs, assign a particular color, line weight, line type, or transparency to the object. Again, in most instances, you should assign color, line weight, line type, and transparency by layer, so that the objects you create take on the properties assigned to the layer on which they are created. But if you wish, you can assign these properties explicitly to the object, in which case the color, line weight, line type, or transparency assigned to the object overrides that of the layer on which the object is created.